Hiroshima Day, 6th August. Hiroshima Day is observed on August 6 to commemorate the atomic bombing of the city of Hiroshima, Japan, in 1945. Hiroshima Day, which is observed at the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, Japan, highlights the effect of nuclear wars, pays respect to those who got killed, discourages nuclear proliferation, and promotes world peace. This is the 77th anniversary of the event. The United States dropped the world's first atomic bomb, codenamed Little Boy, on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, destroying the city and killing 140,000 people. It dropped a second bomb, codenamed Fat Boy, 3 days later on Nagasaki, killing another 70,000. The long-term effects of attack are birth defects, malnutrition, radiation exposure, and other illness. After this, Japan surrendered on August 15, ending World War II and Japan's nearly half-century of aggression in Asia. Survivors of the attack are certified as Hibakusha and eligible for government medical support, according to the Health and Welfare Ministry. Till date, US has never apologized for the attack. Japan signed the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons in February 1970. The Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons took effect in January 2021, after years of civil effort joined by atomic bombing survivors or Hibakusha. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.